So, if you still have one of these MacBook Pros from, what is this, 2014 that is still usable, but the SSD is toast, these are easy to replace. But if you look on the internet, everybody tells you you need to use one of these PL5s, but that's not true. You need a PL4, Pentalobe 4. Can I actually see the Pentalobe 4, PL4? And you just take off all these little screws. Sometimes these have Torx, and I have occasionally seen them with Phillips, but this particular one is a Pentalobe. I don't think they were very consistent when they made them. Oh, well, don't drop the screws. Oh, like it. Now you just need to pop off the back cover, which is usually easier to start back here, and just kind of work your way around. There it goes. Oh, this one isn't too bad a shape. All right. Here's your SSD, and for that you'll need a T5 Torx number 5. 4 will work, but 5 is the exact fit. You just unscrew that. Pop this out, and you can replace it with the exact same thing. And then you just need to go through the formatting process and then reinstall, well, this one OS X. So there's another used one that I know works, and we'll just put it back in. And finishing up is just the reverse. Screw this down and just pop the cover back on. And put all these little screws back. Which you don't really need to see me do that, because that's just more repetition. So I think I'll just end it here.